Good morning, gamers. It is me, JorkDNS, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install iPoGo Pokemon GO Spoofer for iOS 17 through iOS 18 without a computer, without a jailbreak, and without revoke. So let's get right into it. Now, if you've been watching my channel, I made a video on this like a month or two ago, but some things have changed, so yeah, I felt it needed an update. So anyways, to install iSpoofer or iPoGo, there's a few ways to do it. I think the easiest way is the following. The first thing you're going to want to do is come over to the JorkDNS.com website and install this JorkDNS profile. Basically, what this is going to do is prevent your iSpoofer from ever revoking. So anyways, to trust this, you're going to head into General, then you're going to find VPN, DNS, and Device Management, and you're just going to trust this profile. If you want to make your own DNS profile, it's kind of tedious, but go right ahead. I have a video that I'll link in the description. So anyways, yeah, there you go. That's all set up. So the next thing you're going to want to do is install Esign. Basically, Esign is how you can sideload the iPoGo or iSpoofer. So the first thing you're going to want to try is installing the signed certificates one. And if it doesn't work, it's fine because there's, as you can see, a bunch of others. So we're just going to try this one. And you can see it didn't work. That is completely fine. You don't have to worry about that. So we're just going to hit remove app. And you're going to go down the list and try all these other ones. So for example, you can try Aldo Group. And I don't think this one works on this phone. I think it's like blacklisted or something, which is, once again, very fine. So we're just going to keep trying. I think HDFC might work or something like that. Let's see. Hopefully this one works. Yep, there we go. Okay, HDFC worked. HDFC Life Insurance Company. So you just want to go down the list and find one that works and then trust it. And then you can open it up. And it crashes the first time. It's fine. If it crashes more than one time, that's like the same kind of problem of it not installing. So you just want to try a different certificate, and then you're going to hit OK. And the next thing you want to do is install this JorkHub certs file, because we're actually going to need this to install iSpoofer or iPoGo, whatever, same thing. And you're just going to find it in your downloads, this Esign certs thing. And what you're going to want to do is inside of Esign, you want to click import, and you're going to go to that folder it just created. And you want to find the certificate that's, and I know this is from a while ago, but I have a bunch of these. And you want to find the certificate that we used to download Esign. So for example, for me, it was that HDFC one. So I'm going to click on HDFC Life Insurance Company. If you had Aldo Group, you would look for that. If for whatever reason you don't find your certificate in the files, don't worry, I'm going to link this Telegram in the description. It's this right here, this applepl12.com one, and you can see they have zip files for all of these certificates, so yeah. But first, check that JorkHub certs thing. Anyways, then you're going to hit Import Certificate Management. If you are getting it from Telegram, it's not going to be this one like zipped file. It's going to be a P12 and a mobile provision file. So yeah, if you need more help with that, just comment down below and I can help you. But you do have to like type in a password for those, which it tells you on the Telegram. It's always basically applepl12.com like that. But anyways, I can help you with that. That's not really important. So now it's time to get iSpoofer. Now, obviously, JorkDNS, my channel, and my website do not condone the use of Esign or any sideloading tool like that to install apps that violate YouTube's harmful and dangerous content policy. You should absolutely not be using Esign, or rather, should I say, abusing Esign to get apps that violate the paid content policy. So nothing that can get you paid content that normally requires payment, obviously, for free. But yeah, iPoGo is completely different and allowed by YouTube's community guidelines. So anyways, iPoGo or iSpoofer, it doesn't really matter which one you do. I guess I can show both of them. But you want to just do what I did, where you hit installation, then you hit download. Now, the reason why I have you go to this website and do it is because they are, they're constantly updating it. So when I include it on my website and a bunch of people get that, like, needs update error or something like that. The problem is I don't always know when the iSpoofer or iPoGo is going to update, and so I can't really, be there to constantly fix it. So that's why I'm just going to have you go to the website and download it instead. Yeah, so that's iPoGo. I'll also include iSpoofer in the description. Exact same, it doesn't really matter. Yes, I guess they have slightly different like UIs and stuff. I'm just going to install iPoGo. For whatever reason, my Wi-Fi is being really slow, and this is going to take about a year to download, so I'll be back when this is done. All right, so once it finishes, you're going to want to head back into Esign, and then you're going to click on Import, and you're going to find that iPoGo. So you're just going to look for it right here, and I spelled it wrong, so we're just gonna fix that. And it's this latest one right here. It doesn't really matter what the number is because it's gonna be, you know, depending on when you watch this video. And it's kind of a big file, so, you know, it takes a bit to load. And then we're gonna tap on it, and actually no, we're gonna hit apps, and we're going to hit signature. And you're gonna hit signature again. If you're using one of these revoke certificates like I am, right, it's gonna say it's revoked, but that's okay because we have the JorkDNS on, or your own DNS if you really wanted to create it. And then you're gonna hit install, and head to the home screen. Now, as long as Esign installed, this is gonna work as well because they're under the same certificate. If it doesn't, then you did something wrong. Yeah, the installation is still kind of gonna take a while because yeah, it's a big app. So we're just gonna give it a second to install. In the meantime, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And any second now, there we go. And it opens up just fine. Now I'll give you a brief kind of how to use this app. So we're just gonna get past this main screen. I do recommend you use an alt account because obviously there's always the risk that you get banned. So we're just gonna kind of sign in with an alt account. All right, so within iPoGo, you kind of want to use this menu for everything. And in the right, you'll like see nearby Pokemon. I just don't have that because I just made this account. So you can kind of do a bunch of things. You can actually turn spoofing on and off. The big thing is this joystick right here that you want to turn on, so that way, you know, you can walk around. You can change the speed at which you walk. You can teleport to specific locations by using, oh no, it's copying your cords. You can snipe various locations, like if you have the cords. You can change your speed. You can teleport by going to the map, and I'm pretty sure, yeah, you can like just like click on stuff. So yeah, you can kind of do all of that. So yeah, that's pretty much all. If you guys have any questions about this, be sure to comment them down below and I will help you. Yeah, obviously you can change, like, you can see their IVs, you can like make it so it's always an X-link capture, whatever. That's pretty much all. If you guys have any problems, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. I recommend keeping the DNS on while you're using this app, just because otherwise it might revoke. So yeah, it's just kind of a good rule of thumb to keep the DNS on. It does prevent you from updating your phone, so if you need to update your phone, just delete Pokemon Go, and yeah, do that. So yeah, that's pretty much all. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.